Finding on the count of 3, you'll be awake, feeling great. But the moment I snap my fingers, you'll feel yourself very slowly beginning a transformation into a cat. You'll find there'll be a pleasant feeling, but it'll be unexpected. You don't realize that you're hypnotized. It'll just slowly take on the mannerisms of a cat. Just slowly, one by one, until you're completely a cat. You can't even speak normally. All you can do is meow. You can nod it if you understand. Very good. On the count of 3, with 1, 2, and 3, open your eyes, feeling good. So you're having fun so far?
I mean, yeah, of course.
That's good.
Good weather, good company.
So you have any pets or anything?
Actually, I do have 2 cats. One is an older cat and one is kind of a newer cat.
It must be fun. I'm sure there are a lot to deal with, a lot to handle.
Yeah, the newer cat, meow, doesn't really like the older cat, but he's a boy cat, so I'm guessing that's probably why.
Yeah, territorial.
Extremely. Meow.
So have you ever imagined being a cat yourself? What that would be like?
Meow.
That's right, completely becoming a cat now. All you can do is think like a cat with cat-like mannerisms, as if you truly are a cat.
Meow. Meow.
Do you want a bowl of milk? You seem like you're
Meow.
thirsty.
Meow. Meow.
So why are you acting like a cat all of a sudden?
Meow. 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 Meow.
Like we were having such a nice conversation about your pets, your day. It's kind of like you're stuck being a animal. Not much of a conversation here.
Meow. 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 Meow.
It's finding that you're a very energetic cat now with 1, 2, and 3. Just very energetic. You just can't help but move around.
Meow. 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 Meow.
Join my Patreon for the full session with Jasmin.